Yeah, this is my bike check. Start with the front. We got Primo logo grips, nameless bars, Ditech dirt heavy brake lever, spray painted brake cable. Very nice. DMR Ollie Wilkins 26 forks. Adam Lab custom front wheel setup. Kenda K-Rad 2.3 tire. Stock mongoose frame. Odyssey JC PCs. Demolition medials, titanium spindle cranks. Fly bikes, 27 tooth sprocket. Got a Whipperman Racing, pretty much fast chain I could find. 11 tooth back, Halo dirt jump disc hub. Shadow Conspiracy seat, animal clamp, animal post. Stock double wall in the back with a Maxxis Hookworm 2.5 disc brake setup. That's pretty much it.